Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Samsung browser on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. Finally, Samsung has released its browser for Windows 11 and you can easily download it from Samsung website. For that, simply open any browser and visit browser.samsung.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. So here you can see Samsung browser for Windows. Simply scroll down. Here you will find a download option for Windows 11 and 10. Click on download button and it will download the installer file. Once the download has been completed, simply open it. Here we have our installation window. Here click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, you will get welcome to Samsung browser window. Here click on I agree, then click on continue. You can also sign in with your Samsung account. If you already have a Samsung account, it will sync all your browsing history, bookmark and other browser data to this browser. But for now, I'm just going to continue without creating an account. It will also show you an option to import browser data from another browser such as Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Firefox and other browser. Simply skip this if you don't want to import any browser data to Samsung browser. If you want, you can simply click on continue. It also has a built-in ad blocker. If you want to enable ad blocker, then turn on the option, then click on start. After that, you are ready to use the browser. So that's it. This is how you can install Samsung browser on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.